On the last page, you gave me your name and an email, and we took that and assigned an account in the Binary Hijack System software for you. Now, when that timer above hits 0, you're locked out. But if you fill out that form below before the timer runs out, you're in. Quickly, I want to outline the 3 steps you need to take as a member of the Binary Hijack platform in order to start pulling in profits like I've shown you as soon as the next 18 minutes. Step 1. Fill out the form below before the timer above this video hits 0. This will create an account for you at the bank we've assigned you to, which again is for your benefit to ensure the maximum profits. We are spreading out the risk, but ensuring that you are placed with the bank that ensures the profit from the start. Step 2. You'll see a deposit page where you'll be prompted to deposit some starter funds. Now, this is necessary to get started because without something to start trading with, you can't trade, right? I want to ensure you that your money is safe. Once you've made the initial deposit, which is totally based on your desire to succeed, you'll be on your way to profiting like I have. Please remember, if you plan on making more than $1,000 a day with my hijack system, you're going to need to make a starter deposit with multiple banks. The more you deposit, the better it looks for you. If you deposit $200 and start banging out $1,000 an hour, they're going to start getting suspicious. However, if you deposit $500, then start making $1,000 an hour, they will just assume you're a seasoned pro when they see you turning out more profits in an hour than they're used to. And just to prove that I'm on your side, if you deposit $300 or more and within the first hour you have less than you started with, I'll double your deposit on the spot, so long as you followed my steps. No one will ever do that for you, trust me, but I know my system guarantees wins, so I have nothing to risk here. Step 3. Turn on the software and make your first trade. Remember, the odds are about 60-40, so if you lose your first 2 or 3 trades, that's okay. Start small. Bet $10, $15 each trade to get your feet wet. Then you can let the system auto trade for you while you kick back and you make more money than you've ever dreamed of.